Welcome to this quick start guide for Timestripe on mobile. Timestripe is a fantastic tool for managing tasks, setting goals, and building habits. With the mobile version, you can organize and prioritize wherever you are. And this video will cover the basics so you can start using Timestripe right away. So let's jump in. Our first step is to download Timestripe and set up your account. Whether you are using iOS or Android, the process is really simple and you'll be set up in no time. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and you can find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. Then search Timestripe in the store search bar. The Timestripe logo should pop up quickly in the result. Tap Install or Get to download. This will only take a moment. Once installed, click the Open button or by tapping on its icon. If you're new to Timestripe, tap Sign Up or click the Create Account here and follow the prompts to create an account using your email. Or if you already have an account, tap Log In and enter your credential. And that's it, you're now set up and ready to start exploring Timestripe dashboard. You should see the main interface now, which will make it easy to start organizing your goals and tasks. Now that we are inside the application, let's take a quick look at the main interface. Timestripe has three key features, or three key sections, which are lists, horizons, and timeline. Each of these sections serves as a unique purpose, helping you organize tasks from your daily to-dos to your long-term life goals. For example of the list is this today section. This is where you'll organize your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. You'll notice some preset like daily, today, and weekly, so don't worry since you can add them on your own as well. Next, tap on Horizons, which you can notice is this blue icon. Click on this that you can locate in the top left corner of the screen. Just double click it. And here, Horizons is the section designed for bigger goals, the kind you might accomplish over a few months or even years. Here you can organize or categorize your goals by areas like career, health, or personal growth, helping you stay focused on long-term plans. Finally is the timeline. The timeline section arranges all your tasks and events in chronological order, like days, weeks, months, years, or life. So you can see at a glance what's coming up next. With lists for day-to-day tasks, horizons for big-picture goals, and timeline for chronological planning, Timestripe offers a comprehensive system to organize all aspects of your life in one place. Let's start adding some tasks to help you get organized. In Timestripe, you can add tasks to different lists like your daily list or your to-do list for things you need to accomplish today. Go back to the main interface or the home screen and tap on this to-do list to open it. To add a new task, you just need to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And then a text box will pop up where you can enter a title or add notes, links, and images to it. For example, try typing something like finish reading chapter 3. You can also modify the design of the title by clicking this three-dotted icon and then assign a color in it. So think of any task you want to get done today. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to add your task to the to-do list or just exit this pop-up icon. Using this list is an effective way to stay focused on what needs to be done each day. Adding priorities to your task can also help you see at a glance what to tackle first. Now that you have a task added, let's move on to setting a bigger goal. Now that we know the most basic feature of Timestripe or the most important thing about it, let's explore or navigate through the features of the application. First is the progress. In the progress, you will see all the activities or the list that you have accomplished in this application. Everything that is stick out are the things that you have finished. Next is the insights. This will provide a data of the streaks that you have done in year, months, or week, or daily. And next is the claims. As you can see, this introduces a smart educational programs that you can use for your list or for all kind of goals like fitness and health, finance and career, relationships, and awareness. So how to use them? I'm gonna show it to you. For example, if you click the 12 steps to launch a business venture, it will open a description and a video regarding it. And this will indicate the days that you have to accomplish. So click the Start Climb, then it will automatically be added into your list. So let's head back to our main interface. Let's talk about the gallery. Gallery is just a simple community of Timestripe where you can dive in with boards shaped by the community itself. And lastly is the settings. Here you can modify things that we will be discussing later. To keep all your tasks organized and on track, let's take a look at the timeline. The timeline lets you see all your tasks and goals in a linear view or ordered by due date. For example, is when you select the days list here, it will show the list or the work that you have to accomplish today. Next is the weeks. These are the lists that you have to accomplish for weekly. If you need to rearrange anything here, you can tap and hold on a task and drag it to a new spot in the timeline or to a different day if needed. Just by tapping it, then it will automatically be dragged, so make sure that you hold it. This flexibility allows you to adapt your plans as your schedule changes. Again, the timeline is perfect for seeing your entire schedule at a glance, making sure you can stay on top of tasks and deadlines as they approach with your schedule. This is for life, this is for years, and this is for months. Well, as you can see, this seems to be empty, but you can add that or add something here directly by clicking this Add List button. Setting reminders and making tasks repeat are a powerful feature that Timestripe offers. Reminders help you remember specific tasks, while repeating tasks are great for things you want to turn into habits like exercising regularly or going to the gym. Head back to a task, or for example is this, and open your daily list. Tap on an existing task or add a new one if you like. As you can see, you can access the three-dotted icon here and then select the reschedule or repeat. Once you click the repeat, it will show an interface where you can select the repeated by weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, or every decade. So let's set it to every weekly, since this list is already included in the weekly timeline. To make this a repeating list, again, you can just click this, select a task, click this three-dotted icon, and then select repeat, and choose here if you want it to happen weekly, monthly, quarterly, and again yearly or every decade. Well, reminders keep you on track for one-time tasks, while repeating tasks help you build consistency. If you're working on habits like reading or exercising, setting this up as a rating task can be a game changer. Before we wrap up, let's look at customizing a few settings to make Timestripe work better for you. So click the settings icon. And then here you will see all the settings that you can modify inside your application. Like when you choose this toggle switch, once a list has been completed, it will automatically be hide. You can also click this show tips. And you can also change your theme like dark or light. Here you will have email notifications like daily insights, weekly insights, and monthly insights, and you can modify them by toggling the switch beside it. And lastly, you can use the time format like AM to PM format, and also auto move to next period once the goals or list has been overviewed. And lastly is you can delete your account or just sign out. And that's it. You now have all the basics for using Timestripe on mobile. Today we set up our account, explore the list, horizons, and timeline sections, added tasks and long-term goals including the claims, and we also learned how to set a repeating task and customize your setting for a more personalized experience. Well, thank you for joining this video or this beginner's guide on how to use Timestripe, and enjoy organizing your life with Timestripe, and thank you for listening.